Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Dear Assit.Prof.Mr.Febrian.S.pd M.Sc as a lecturer in English for Mathematics. We are from Group 6.
We'll explain material about Pythagorean Theorem with several subtopics as the first, description of material, which will be explained by myself as the moderator and first speaker. The second, history of Pythagorean Theorem, which will be explained by the second speaker, namely Maysyaroh. The third, the formula of Pythagorean Theorem, which will be explained by the third speaker, namely Asmi Septiani DM, and last, the fourth, example of Pythagorean Theorem, which will be explained by the fourth speaker, namely Tria, Noor, Fatonah. Okay guys, let's just go straight to the first speaker, namely description of material, which will be explained by myself. Description of material. Description of material. Take its number that present the length of the two legs of the right angle triangle. Then the magic comes. The third side, which is called hypotension, will come as a result of the other two sides. The bevel angle is the squared angle of the other two sides of the right triangle. This statement is called the Pythagorean Theorem. This theory was discovered by Phytagoras, an extraordinary Greek mathematician. This algebraic expression is derived geometrically under investigation by using the right angle triangle. Pythagorean theorem play an important role in life. The concept is used in the context of any measure in aspect of life.
Okay guys, that's the first material I can see about description of material. Okay, we just go to the second material. The second is history of Pythagorean Theorem, which will be explained by the second speaker, namely Maysyaroh. To Maysyaroh, please welcome.
Okay, before we discuss further about the Pythagoras theorem, we should know in advance the history of the Pythagoras theorem. You can see the picture on the side. This is picture of the Pythagoras. Pythagoras was born in 569 in Samos Island, Greece. He was a remarkable Greek mathematician and philosopher best known through his theorem. He was widely known as the father of number. He had an important contribution to philosophy religious teaching in the late 6th century. One of the main creators of the famous Pythagoras is the Pythagorean Theorem, which states that a right-angled triangle, a square of hypotenuse, is equal to the sum of square of two other sides. There is evidence that from the relative Pythagoras proposition is already known before the birth of the theorem of Pythagoras. It is not that Egyptians used a knot roof or support to form a right angle to contraction of the building. The roof has a length of 12 knots, which can be formed into a right angle triangle of size 3, 4, 5. So as to form an angle of 90 degrees. Can you make the roof like this? Try now use your rope to check out a few right angle in the room of your school or at home. I think that's all. I submit to the moderator. Thank you.
Wow, amazing Maysyaroh. Okay, thanks to Maysyaroh for explaining material about history of Pythagorean theorem. Okay, next, we just go to the third material. The third material about the formula of Pythagorean theorem, which will be explained by Asmi Septiani DM. To Asmi, please welcome.
Okay, I want to explain about proof of the Pythagorean formula. You can see the picture. The tile pattern like the picture is typical of what has been seen in East Asia. If you count the triangles in the books A and B, which are formed from both the legs of triangle, you will notice there are 8 triangles, while on the hypotenuse of the triangle on square C, there are 16 triangles. It is estimated that the Babylonians knew the pattern of such tiles. Of course, evidence of the Pythagorean theorem. Pythagorean theorem is proved in this following way. The picture shows that a large square is composed by small square and pitches of 4 right-angled triangle PQR, for example. On a big square, the length of the sides are equally A plus B units. On a small square, the length of the side is supposedly C units. Right-angled triangle PQR have sides on the legs which have length of A units and B units respectively. A large square area A plus B square equals A plus B times A plus B equals A square plus 2AB plus B square. A small square area C times C equals C square. 4 triangles PQR equals 4 times triangle PQR area equals 4 times 1/2 times A times B equals 2AB. Based on the picture we observe, a large square area equals a small square area plus 4 triangle PQR area. A square plus 2AB plus B square equals C square plus 2AB. Next, A square plus 2AB plus B square minus 2AB equals C square plus 2AB minus 2AB. The right side and the left side are the same. We can cross them out. Becomes A square plus B square equals C square. Okay, so we can conclude the sum of the square area on the side of a right triangle A and B equals to the area of the square on the hypotenuse of a right triangle C. Okay, thank you.
Thank you to Asmi Septiani DM. Okay friend, that was an explain about the formula of Pythagorean theorem by Asmi Septiani DM. Well, still spirit guys. Okay, we still have one more material about example of Pythagorean theorem. Okay, we just go to the last material, namely about example of Pythagorean theorem, which will be explained by
Tria, Noor, Fatonah. To Tria, please welcome.
In here, I want to explain about example of Pythagoras theorem. The first number, a boy runs toward the south from point A to point B as far as 8 meters. And then the turns to the west from point B to point C as far as 15 meters. So, determine how long AC is. Okay, from problem we know AB equals 8, BC equals 15. Step, draw a boy movement using Pythagoras theorem. Like the picture. The second step, using Pythagoras theorem, we have AC equals square root AB to the power of 2 plus BC to the power of 2. Then AC equals square root 8 to the power of 2 plus 15 to the power of 2. And then AC equals square root 64 plus 225 and equals square root 289. So AC equals 17. The second number, solve the value of x in the picture. From picture, we know the height is 8 cm and the hypotenuse is 10 cm and the escape is x. For solution, x the power of 2 equals 10 the power of 2 minus 8 the power of 2. Then equals 100 minus 64 equals 36. And then x equals square root 36. So x equals 6 cm.
Thank you to Tria, Noor, Fatonah for explain material about example of Pythagorean theorem.
Okay guys, maybe that's just the material from our group about Pythagorean theorem. I hope that's what we explain can be useful and can be understood by all of you. Apologies if there are errors or deficiencies in our group's explanation. We would like to express our gratitude. I ask the moderator say goodbye. Okay guys, before I end, then I will chant first. Get up early for sport. Exercising by riding a bicycle. Greeting for me and support. Thank you for listening present article.
Thank you for attention.
And for watching.
Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share.
That is the material from Group C. We say Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.